Ali Wapaya from Seleno Health. Today I'm going to share with you a delicious maca latte or some white chocolate latte. So what you need for this delicious recipe, and this is really good for a warm evening or when you feel a little bit cold. Maca is a really good to create that warmth in your body. You can use any of these maca. So you can use maca for women, you can use maca for men, depends if you are men and women, but you can also add yellow maca. So what I'm doing here is I'm adding 2 teaspoons. I'm only preparing for 1 cup. And here is my measure cup. I add some plant-based milk. You can choose your favorite plant-based milk. I like to use soy milk, but you can also choose oat milk, coconut milk. The creamiest of all the milks, it's the soy one. So then what is the other ingredient? Well, I'm using some vanilla. It's a really the very good vanilla. So 1 teaspoon for this. And then we have some cinnamon powder. I'm gonna use a 1/4 of teaspoon. The other ingredient is clove powder. I don't have clove this time, but I'm gonna use only 1 clove, and this creates a beautiful aroma. And the other ingredient, and that creates all the foaminess and emulsify the drink, is those cacao butter drops. They are easy to use, and those are 100% cacao fat. So those come from cacao. And I add 3 of these drops because I like the creaminess. And if you are in a keto diet, I think this is a really good way. So I'm gonna turn on this. Okay. And here we go. We have this creamy maca latte, or you can call like a white chocolate maca latte. Look, all the creaminess and the foaming. And you can top with some cinnamon. I like to put both. So some cinnamon powder and then more maca because it's never too much maca. So I add some crunchy little pieces of maca nibs. So this is how maca nibs comes in a 300 grams. You can use as a topping, and that's it. This is your maca latte. Delicious. Delicious. That's delicious.